Today we'll go for another part of this chapter. That is resistance and their another devices. Resistor, inductor, and capacitor. What is resistance?
Opposition, like
You
opposing something,
opposing what?
opposing any force which is coming towards us, like resistance in electricity. It
Okay.
opposes the flow of current.
Yeah, correct. Then what is resistor?
It is a device which opposes device or material which acts as a which stops the force or opposes it.
Yeah, correct. Is my internet not working properly, or am I hearing you as
There is a power cut in my area.
okay. I thought my internet is like lagging today because your voice was like like Shahrukh. Okay. Yeah, that is right. Resistor is a device and resistance is the property of that device which resists the flow of current. Now, what is capacitor? Have you heard capacitor?
No, sir.
No? Have you seen capacitor?
I heard about the word, but I don't know what it is.
Okay. My 12th bachas, come on, tell me. Samhita Veda, what is capacitor?
So it's a device which holds current inside of it.
There is
It's a device which holds.
definite problem with my internet because I'm hearing your voice also like you can hear me properly,
Yes, sir.
but why I'm hearing like what's happening? Should I change my earbuds? Okay, let me change earbuds. Let me not charge. It is full charge. Full charge only. Okay, no problem. Yeah, I guess I can hear it clearly, maybe. Okay, so capacitor, what you were saying, Samhita?
Sir, it's a device which stores.
Mm-hmm. It stores current. Okay, charge. Then what about inductor? Veda? What about inductor? What guys? You guys are playing or what? Or purposely doing? Okay, let's prank her today. Hmm. You're purposely speaking or something. Okay, I will assume that you said some correct answer. Okay. Inductor, resistor, and capacitor. Okay. So if I talk about inductor, it is just a coil. If you see there's a fan. Fan has all these three. Fan has inductor, fan has resistor, fan has capacitor. That starts with the inductor. So when you see motor of that fan, it is surrounded by a wire. That is coil. That is your inductor, which is connected with the magnet. Next, there is a white cylinder shape. Can you see that? When I'm saying see on a fan, like you can turn your face towards the fan and check it. Yeah, I think so. I can't see. How to lift that a cone shaped thing. But other side, yeah, I can see that other side, other fan, which is far away. I can see that. Yes, there is a white color in my fan. It's like white color cylinder shape. That is a capacitor. And whole system is like a resistor only. Right. So in short, this all are have some ability to resist something. So these are the what? Resistance offered by various elements. So these are the elements: inductor, resistor, and capacitor to AC supply.
So if they're offering resistance, then we can call all the three of them, we can call them as resistors, right?
These are separate devices. Whenever we are calculating, we need to convert this into resistance, means resistor. We directly cannot do it. We cannot directly use those things. We need to convert those each things into resistance. Whatever it is offering resistance, so that thing only will identify and use as a resistor. I mean resistance.
So like the three of them work differently.
Yeah, they work different way, but we'll combine and use it. Or whatever required, wherever we require. Like, see, if I talk about this each thing, this is for instant output. It gives instant output, means charging and discharging. This
So it's like a battery, like a power bank.
power bank is not instant charge and discharge.
Or like an example,
Storage. Yeah, you can say that. A storage.
yeah, like capacitors are nothing but like they store
Storage
energy
device.
in
Yes,
form of
yes, yes.
electricity, right? So
Correct.
power bank. So like we can
Yeah,
just put it in or put it out.
yeah. So, but the difference between, as you ask, power bank, that is power bank will charge for like until it has, but same way capacitance also. But capacitor will give all our output in a fraction of second.
Yeah, so it has a lot of energy and it's very like quick.
Yeah. No, not so much energy as power bank, but yeah, it has energy. So next is your resistor. Resistor. So let's talk about inductor. Inductor is just a coil which like provide two ways. Actually, inductor is used two ways, either in generation of by how can I explain this? Yeah, either in generation of current or generation of rotation, like a motor and generator. Main two purpose is this one. There are so many purposes, but I just gave you idea. Okay, what are these things? So let's go in little bit understanding inside. Okay, so AC in circuit may be controlled by these three people: resistance, inductance, and capacitance. But DC current can, or let's say directly, is controlled by only and only Mr. Resistance. Hmm. So DC current cannot be controlled by any other things. So you cannot use capacitor in DC or coil as an inductor in your DC. We can use only on AC supply. Why? We'll see later. Like we'll see later in the sense, like in our this class only, maybe. But further, we'll see some graphs and all that. From that, we'll identify why. Then I'll ask you why. So by the time, listen carefully each things, because from there I will ask you why. So remember the question, what I'll ask. Why? Why this capacitor and inductor not working on DC? This will be the question. I'll give you explanation only, but I'll not say that this is the explanation of DC and AC or whatever that you have to identify. Chalo. So first thing here, sorry. So erase. ठीक है. Impedance. Impedance in the sense, this is like a, see, we know that V equals to IR. So R is your total resistance. Same way, in AC circuit, we have impedance. Total resistance for whole circuit, that is impedance. Impedance can be just R, or impedance can be R and I, or impedance can be R, IC, or impedance can be I and C. Anything it can be. Let's see how. So, which is denoted by Z. I guess this 12th people already know. So this is what? Ratio of EMF and current. Ratio of EMF and current. So that is Z equals to E by I, or E naught by, we can take I naught also, or ARMS to the IRMS. It won't make difference because it's in ratio only. So if you divide root 2, same you'll get. If you don't divide root 2, still same. So this is what, in overall, we can say impedance is the resistance offered by capacitance or inductance. So it is the resistance offered by capacitance or inductance. Then what will be unit of this Mr. Impedance, the newcomer? What will be SI unit of Mr. Impedance? Can you guess? Any guesses? Option number 1, I don't know. 2 also I don't know. 3 also I don't know. 4 also I don't know. Tell me, which option you're choosing?
Option 1, 2, 3, 4.
Acha. Or you can choose your E option. E. It is your choice. Chalo, bolo. What is the SI unit of impedance? Shamhita? Samhita, are you there?
Yes, sir, I don't
Yeah. What is it? You don't remember?
know. No, sir.
Okay. Akshit? Okay, any guesses? Like, see, just know what I said.
Ohms.
Yes, it should be ohms because it is a resistance offered by capacitance or inductor. So it is also ohm. So what is the conclusion here? Then whatever we are going to find out here, resistance unit is ohm, this is Henry, and this is Farad. This cannot be converted, we cannot use directly here as impedance. So we need to convert this one to something that will make resistance, and capacitance also we can convert somehow. Let's see. So impedance unit is ohm. Now next word, next newcomer is reactance. So now reactance is what? Same way. Hindrance offered by inductance or capacitance or both to flow AC, denoted by X, we already wrote. So when it is passing through inductance means or inductor, it will called as inductive reactance. And when it is passing through capacitance, it will call capacitive reactance. So now this both unit is ohm, but inductance unit is Henry. Why it is not writing? Yeah, Henry, and this is Farad. See, remember units, it is very important. So suppose if you forget formula, then they give some values and answer something. From the unit itself, you can understand, okay, yeah, this might be the thing. It might help, okay? It might help to like trigger that formula. Yes, this is the thing I need to do. Units are so important.
Sir, could you once scroll up to inductance
Zarur.
or impedance? Yes.
Impedance.
Yes, sir.
So can you scroll down a little?
Yeah. Let her finish. I'll scroll just a bit.
Sure, I'm done.
Done. Okay. Yeah.
दोन चपाती घे, छोटी एक वरची छोटी एक पप्पांना ठेव.
क्या हो गया दीदी?
Yes, sir.
ओके. चलो ठीक है. This reminds me of forward in standard class.
So which one scroll up?
Yeah.
Done, sir.
Okay. Chalo. Next. Admittance. Now, brother of this impedance is the admittance. And he's always ulta. He will do everything ulta. So, can you guess what will be this? He's totally ulta of, what is it? Mr. Impedance. I feel such UT class. Yeah. Hello, Mr. Okay. Chalo, impedance is inverse of, right, admittance is the inverse of impedance, denoted by y. Then what else we need? Yeah. So y equals to 1 by z. So if it is 1 by z, then SI unit will be ohm inverse. Ohm inverse, or they also called as Mo. The funny name. Okay, this is not cool here. Our ohm inverse is cool. But even you should know, like, if they give an exam. But yeah, generally, JEE exam is not funny exam. One second, please. Okay. Okay. So let's see this part.
Sir, is it basically conductance then?
Huh.
Admittance is conductance.
Yeah, similar to that. Yes. In the conductance is reciprocal of resistance. Likewise. Impedance and phase of AC. See, we started a little bit more people, then it becoming a little bit interesting. Before only mostly regularly Aditya and Samhita will join. Remaining people, they'll not come some days, they'll come some days, they'll watch videos and will complete. The class will be just V3. Only these two are regular from the first day. Okay. So this impedance phase, and let's see here, so E equals to E naught sine omega t, and I equals to I naught sine omega t. Right. So if I want to make it lead, so plus some phase angle I will add. So if I want to find out Z, so what I'll do, I naught, sorry, E naught by I naught. That will give you Z. Or if we change this, I naught equals to E naught by Z. Generally, we'll be asked in exam this thing only because Z will be given. Z will be given, or there'll be some way to find out this. So I naught and E naught. What are these I naught, E naught? No, no answer. I naught, E naught. Or should I call by name? Akshit. Are you present today? Okay, let it be. So first thing we'll start with containing only R. R means resistor. So let's draw here AC symbol E equals to E naught omega t. I equals to E by R. E sine omega t by R. So I equals to E naught here. E naught by R is I naught sine omega t. Because I naught equals to E naught by R. So in this case, Z is equals to R. Hey, what is this? Okay, in this case, Z is equals to R, and resistor has zero phase difference. Phase difference between I and I and E, that is 0. So if we draw phasor diagram, x-axis. So if I draw graph, E here. So this is E or I. So this will be our omega t, means time. So it is E I versus E or I versus omega t. Done writing?
Yes, sir, done, sir.
Others? Samhita, Aditi.
Yes, sir.
What about Sam? Done?
Yes, sir.
Chal. Let's start and 5 minutes out to finish. No, then we will start tomorrow only because 5 minutes I cannot finish next two parts. Okay, then let's end this here. We'll continue next second, third, fourth. Oh, yeah, like that. Here we studied for resistor, then we'll see for capacitor, then inductor, then combination of those three, those two, like that. Okay, okay, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye, everyone.